A very good morning, everyone. Welcome again. Today I am going to teach construction. It is the mathematics of class 6. Here we are going to learn important things that how can you divide a line, how can you divide an angle, and how can you construct same angles. Okay, and construction of 90 degree, 60 degree, 150 degree, 120 degree. Okay, so now we start that session, and I have taken exercise 14a. One question. First question says that draw a line segment PQ 6.2 centimeter. Draw the perpendicular bisector of PQ. Question says, with the help of your scale, you have to, this is a scale, this is my scale, you will take your scale, that is okay, that is smaller in size. So with the help of a scale, you have to construct, you have to draw 6.2 centimeter and give name PQ. Okay, and then we will draw a perpendicular bisector. Are you ready? So you will sit with your pen and paper and your geometry box with the help of scale and one, that is compass. Okay, with the help of compass we are going to draw perpendicular bisector. First we draw line segment PQ 6.2 centimeter. So now 6.2, take your scale. Okay, 6.2 start, that is 6 and point 2 here. Give the name P, that is Q, 6.2 centimeter up to here to here. Okay, now you have to draw a perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector you have to draw with the help of compass. Okay, so take your compass and take an arc. Mode its the arc length should be more than half, that is half. So we have taken more than half. Okay, and at P you have to draw a line above the PQ and one line below the PQ. Okay, and now take the point at Q, cut this, and also here. Okay, now you got 2 points, this one and this one, and draw a line matching that points. This is a perpendicular line PQ we have drawn, that is 6.2 centimeter, and draw the perpendicular bisector of PQ, that is perpendicular bisector. Bisect means this the length of here, that if we say that is O, then OQ should be half of 6.2, that should be okay 3.2, 3.2, that is 3, and here 3.2, also this will be 3.2. Okay. So here 3.2, that is also this is 3.2, and now it will be 90 degree perpendicular. Perpendicular bisector means the line should be at 90 degree. You can measure that is 90 degree or not. So this line is at 90 degree or not. This line is at 90 degree. Okay, now this. Okay, this line and this line, it match. That's why it is 90 degree. This way you can draw a perpendicular line. Draw a line and then bisect by using compass. Okay. Now I am going to teach how can you divide an angle. Now we solve third number question. Draw an angle equal to angle AOB. Given in the adjoining figure. This figure given same angle or same angle you have to draw. Okay. So how can you construct? First, we are going to draw this line with the help of scale. Okay. So now start. OA is given same line, we can draw with the help of scale. We have drawn. Okay. Now your work is take your compass. Okay. And draw an arc this arc will cut at 2 points. AB cuts here and OB cuts here. Okay, with the same arc, without disturbance, you have to draw an arc. We have drawn, and now you have to measure the length of this arc. This is also here a little. Measure. Okay, now we measured the length of the arc with the compass and cut. Okay, we have cut, and this point and this point. You can draw a line through the points, this point and these points, and give a name. This is AOB, so we will give some other name, that is C, D and E. Okay, so this figure had been given, this angle had been given, and we have drawn this one, and both will be the similar. Okay, similar of this angle. If you have any dot, then you can measure with the help of your protractor. Now measure how. Okay, how much is it? How much is it? This point should be at O, and this line should be on this line. Okay, we can draw. And now it is about Start 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and that is 55, 56, 57. It is about 56 or 57. Okay, now measure both. We have taken. Now you can measure that is. That is 55, 50, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, and that is now. Just same we got. So this way you can construct similar angle. If this one is given, first what we did? First we draw a line, okay, then with this point, okay, and now you work that this arc had been not given, so first we draw an arc, and with this same arc you have to draw here, okay, first work, and then second work you have to measure this arc with the help of your compass. First we now second work, first we draw, okay, with the same we had drawn. Second work, that you have to measure the length, and measure that this length you have to cut, okay, and with where it cuts, that point and initial point, you have to, with this you have to draw a line. This will be the equal angles, okay. When you measure this both angle, it will be equal, okay. Now I solve one more question. Now I have taken whole number question. Draw an angle 50 degree with the help of a protractor. Draw a ray bisecting of this. With the help of protractor, you have to draw 50 degree, okay. So how can you draw 50 degree? You know already. First, draw a line without any measurement. There is not given measurement, okay. I have drawn a line here. Give a point name, give name O, and that is a we can give, okay. And now take your protractor, and this point should be at O, and this line should be at this line, okay. Now 50 degree, start counting up to here, okay, not from this side, it should be at 0. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 is here, this is a 50, okay. And now we draw a line through these points. Okay, this became an angle AOB, angle AOB 50 degrees, 50 degree, okay. One work we have done. Now second thing says that draw a ray bisecting this angle. You have to draw a ray which divides this angle. This is a 50 degree. You have to draw a ray which divides the 50 degree into two parts, means 25 degree. Then how can you divide this angle? Okay, so let's start. Take your compass and you have to draw an arc with, you have to put this one at vertex, okay, this point, and draw an arc which cuts both line at 2 points. One is here, the other is here. OB at this point and OB this point and OA this point, okay? And with these points, we got 2 points. And with this point, you have to draw an arc. Okay? And now you have to draw at, put at this point and now draw, cut this arc. It cuts here. I have drawn first from this point and now from this point, okay, and now you have to draw a line which, a line through O and this point. Draw a point through O and this point. Yes, it makes here. Okay, so this line divides angle AOB in 2 equal parts. Now you can measure what is the measurement of this angle and what is the measurement of this angle. Okay, now the angle between both and the angle between both. Measure. Now this is 25 degree, 0, 10, 20 and 25 degree. Okay, this became 25, so also this will be the 25 because the total angle is 50 degree. Okay, this way you can draw perpendicular bisector of a line and that is bisector of an angle. Okay, I hope you got it. If you have doubts, then you can pause the video and watch again and again. Okay, so now I see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye.